tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Graffiti on the walls paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness. Hit that bass line nice and slow. Talk back singing, let the rhythm flow. Rolling slow past the shore, sun's on the scene. Palm trees swaying, we keep the chrome clean. Shades on my eyes, feeling real supreme. Bassline bumping like you're living a dream.
Sawasdee ka! Welcome Mocktail Mixologists to my Dry Mixology Channel. Now that school's done, I'm thrilled to bring you even more incredible mocktail creations. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any mocktail concoctions that come your way. For today guys, we're kicking off our Thai Mocktail series. Perfect for impressing even the most seasoned drinkers or for anyone who loves amazing flavor without the alcohol. This drink is definitely for you. For our second mocktail, we're reinventing the classic iced tea into an unforgettable experience with a surprising blend of flavors you've never tasted before. What makes this mocktail truly distinct from the rest? It's a full-blooded Thai creation made with authentic ingredients straight from Thailand. Unlike typical Western-style iced teas that rely on highly acidic lemon or lime, in Thailand, they often use orange juice for a unique and naturally sweeter citrus note. We've also especially sourced our tea for this recipe from the renowned fields of Chiang Mai, ensuring a truly genuine taste. That's why we're proud to call this drink Sawasdee ka, Chiang Mai. I present to you all the ingredients that you need to make your own second mocktail, Sawasdee ka, Chiang Mai. And for the full recipe, it is located in the description of the video. We have here the orange juice, and next is the orange green cardamom bitter gourd syrup. Yes, you have heard it. So it has that green cardamom flavor, that orange, zesty, juicy, and then you have that bitterness from the bitter gourd. So those three ingredients became a less sugary syrup but more flavor forward. And then next is the turmeric syrup, lime juice, for optional if you want more acidity. And then the last one is Chiang Mai tea. If you can't find this, you can use any Thai tea as long as it is brown or dark colored. However, it is best to use Chiang Mai's signature tea. The first step is to brew our tea by using a French press. To release the full flavor of the tea, we must add hot water. Of course, I tasted this tea and it is better than any Thai black tea I had. I use the French press because that's the proper way and the equipment to use when brewing your tea. It is better to push and pull the rod or the stick of the French press to release the tea's flavor faster. Let it rest for 5 minutes and let's go to the next step. I do thank God for blessing me to come up with this idea to reinvent this mocktail iced tea. Here is my flavor-forward and less sweetened syrup that is more orange zesty flavor with that punch of green cardamom and that soothing bitterness of the bitter gourd that will balance everything. I call this my magic Chiang Mai syrup. I made this type of syrup to level it to the standards of Thai cuisine, which is sophisticated. So guys, after 5 minutes, here is our tea. It is still warm. Don't make it cold because it will lose its flavor. And don't worry if it's hot because we will add ice to our mocktail glass. Okay, mixologists, it's time to do the build-up method in the world of mixology, where you just have to add every liquid. You don't have to muddle, crush, blend, or shake. That's all. The first step we have to do is add ice. Next step is to add our beautiful Chang tea that really gives the authenticity and the title of this drink. Let's add orange juice, and that's how it makes the Thai iced tea different from the rest. We will add fresh slices of oranges to showcase that this iced tea is orange flavored. Next is to add our Chiang Mai magic syrup that has 3 flavors in it. The next ingredient is very fun. We will use turmeric syrup, and you have never seen this by using it for mocktail drinks or even iced tea. Mix everything so that all those flavors are fully combined. The next step is to taste it, and you really need to do this so that you know if it's well balanced and you can taste each of every ingredient that we added. I just want a little bit sourness, so we will add lime juice. However, this is optional. Let's garnish it with our beautiful orange slices. Wow! Look at this newly evolved and elevated Thai iced tea mocktail. Have you seen an iced tea like that? No way. So are you ready? Let's turn up the music!
Palm trees swaying with the ocean as my guide. Top down riding, let the west coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo, West Coast weather, the sun sets slow. Say what? Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bump beneath the moon tonight.